What's up? Hey, don't forget what made you now. Don't forget what made you. No, but here, right here, we're replacing the caliber. It's a '05 convertible. Chrysler, nothing outrageous, touring model, so it's the bigger version. But anyway, that's the new one. And I already busted down, released the caliber. You put the screwdriver right there on the rotor and pull and push it, and as you can see, what it's doing. The 5/8 for the brake line bolt, 12 for the caliber bolts or screws, depending on the age range you learned this at. And I did have one bad socket, one bad lug that I had to beat the shell off. Used a 4-way. Where's my baby? Yep. It's 11/16 or 17. Yep. But yeah, we almost done though. Get back with y'all soon. Pump it and hold it to the floor. All right, pump it. Come on. Pump it. Do it again. Keep going. No, go slow. All right, hold it down. All right, pump it. Yep, and that's about it, folks. Fairly simple.